Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to go over how to create that classic crawling text effect in CapCut. Go to the Text menu and click on the plus button over Default Text. Adjust its length so it matches your clip. In the Settings panel, replace the default text with the text you want to scroll. Adjust the text size to fit your style. Let's give it that news style feel by scrolling down to the background settings and adding a solid color. Now, move your text so it aligns with the start of the frame, creating that starting point. Now for the animation. Move the playhead at the first frame. In the Settings panel, scroll up and set your first keyframe for the position by clicking the diamond button to its right. Next, move the playhead to the end of the clip. Adjust the text position so it's now aligned with where you want the crawl to end. This automatically sets a second keyframe. If the text is crawling too slowly or quickly, you can adjust the speed by selecting the text layer and moving the second keyframe closer or further along the timeline. And that's it. You've got a clean crawling text effect ready to go. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.